Hi, and welcome to my home base, my headquarters of my Trello account. I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough so you can see all the things behind my business. So, to the left, you can see all the different teams I'm in, and I'm on quite a few different teams and different boards. If I filter through, these are probably the most active boards that I'm on, client boards that I'm working in. I've got my podcast clients. I work on some podcast production there. Here are Trello Business Suites, some of my favorite templates, and let's take a look at my business boards. These are all my boards that I use. I love them. I use them a lot. I also do a lot of client work. So this is a client board that's going to be being developed as we start working. So this is an example of my collaboration board. I've talked about making workflow boards and, naming after the client and inviting them and working as a team. This is kind of like one of the ones I'm building out. I do have a launch board, if I can find it. And I think it's on another team. This is my other client's business. I made her, I pretty much onboarded her whole business onto Trello. We have gone in and made her courses here. This is her calendar. These are her strategy. So when our team meets, we go to her strategy boards and we start executing some stuff. This is where we organize her editorial calendar, and a lot of these boards are assets, courses, and products we're developing, as well as her Facebook group. So this is pretty much another team board that I created for my client, and I still work with her, and we still use this board whenever we're working together. It's a really great board. If you are somebody who's definitely interested in Trello Business Suites, this is what it'll look like. It'll come with kind of the keyboards that I use, that my client use, with walkthrough videos. Every board is going to have a video. It's going to have the labels. It's going to show you how to use it. It's going to have all the automations. So this is one that I love, where a rebuttal I get on Trello, people get frustrated saying, well, all the activities are behind a card. I've figured that out. I've now made an automation to say when those subtasks are now going to go to my to-do list. For example, doing a new website is a goal of yours. I've said when you're ready to start working on this quarterly goal. So in January, you're ready to start working on this. When you start checking this off, instead of it being here, what I've done is now they're going to come into your to-do list. I've heard so many people say this was a big frustration for them. So I'm super happy that I created an automation that takes subtasks to your to-do list. And once you start moving the cards up, so I'm working on that, and they can start moving across the board and being complete. And you'll find all these kind of automations listed here. So that's one of my favorite ones that come with Trello Business Suites. You got squad goals, you got resource library, you got strategy. We got my favorite board, which is my weekly board that's automated to bring all the due dates into your weekly content calendar. This board pretty much eliminates all the due dates being elsewhere on all these boards. And I say anything with a due date that's 2 weeks in advance will all come into my week, and I will be able to see all the things I need to do, whether it's with a client, with a team, with anyone. I barely go into some boards sometimes because I just go into my week and I get to see all my deliverables in one place. So that's a little bit about Trello Business Suites. That's a little bit about my Trello account and what's going on behind my business. I hope you've enjoyed my walkthrough. I hope it's made you want to explore Trello. I hope my course has helped you want to try Trello. And if you're interested in purchasing Trello Business Suites, there's more information to come. Enjoy. Thanks.